A new Trump administration, Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, Palantir's AI revolution. These three elements are set to converge in 2025, potentially reshaping Palantir's trajectory. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how these seemingly disconnected events might intertwine and impact Palantir's future. Prepare for some eye-opening revelations about the intersection of politics, technology, and artificial intelligence that could redefine the landscape. 2. Palantir's transformation from data company to AI powerhouse. Palantir's AI offerings are reshaping industries. They're providing tools that visualize and analyze data in previously unimaginable ways. Healthcare companies are using Palantir's tech to enhance transparency and improve decision-making. This expansion isn't just about new markets. It's about redefining what's possible in data analytics and AI. The impact on Palantir's business? It's substantial. Their revenue is surging as they tap into a new world of commercial opportunities. Analysts are taking notice, dubbing Palantir the artery for enterprise AI. This isn't a minor pivot. It's a full-scale evolution that's positioning Palantir at the forefront of the AI revolution. But the story doesn't end there. The political landscape is shifting, and it could create the perfect storm for Palantir's future. Trump's back in the headlines, and that could mean big things for tech companies like Palantir. Let's break it down. 3. The Trump factor, a new era for government contracts. A single election could dramatically impact Palantir's future. With Trump back in the office, Palantir's government connections are becoming a major asset. The tech landscape is preparing for significant changes, especially in AI and national security. Trump trades aren't just a catchy phrase. They're a real phenomenon where certain stocks surge based on Trump's policies. Palantir is emerging as a prime candidate for this trend. During Trump's previous term, defense and AI stocks saw their values soar as his administration invested heavily in national security and immigration enforcement, Palantir's core business areas. Current market expectations are high, with analysts anticipating increased federal spending on technology, particularly in defense. It's reminiscent of Trump's previous policies that prioritized defense budgets and national security, aligning perfectly with Palantir's business model. Palantir's founders, especially Peter Thiel, have been influential in Trump's circle. This connection could potentially lead to more government contracts and reshape the landscape of government technology. Experts predict that a Trump-led government would heavily invest in AI technologies for national security. Palantir is ideally positioned to meet this demand. Analysts are viewing Palantir as a top Trump trade, anticipating significant growth in the company's value. But there's more to this story. While Trump's return is significant, another tech visionary is entering the political arena. Elon Musk's ideas could further accelerate Palantir's rise. His plans for government efficiency could have far-reaching implications for companies like Palantir. 4. Elon Musk and the Department of Government Efficiency. Remember when Elon Musk said he could fix Australia's power grid in 100 days or it'd be free? Now he's eyeing an even bigger challenge, the U.S. government. His proposed Department of Government Efficiency sounds like science fiction, but it could be Palantir's golden ticket. Trump named Elon Musk as the leader of the Department of Government Efficiency. Musk, who's made rockets reusable and electric cars cool, will bring his innovative approach to government operations. When we think of government efficiency, we usually picture long lines at the DMV or endless paperwork. But Musk is all about disruption. He's publicly called out government inefficiency, arguing that outdated methods are holding us back. Imagine applying the same efficiency-obsessed mindset that built Tesla and SpaceX to our bloated bureaucracy. It's about reimagining how government works. This is where Palantir comes in. Musk's approach to efficiency aligns perfectly with Palantir's strengths. Their AI-powered solutions are designed for the kind of data-driven decision-making that Musk champions. If Musk's vision becomes reality, we could see a government eager for AI solutions to streamline operations, cut waste, and boost productivity. Jim Cramer even pointed out that under Musk's influence, this new department could turn to Palantir to modernize the Defense Department and slash unnecessary spending. But it's not just about defense. The potential impacts are enormous. We're talking about AI-driven efficiency across every government agency. The Brookings Institution suggests AI could significantly reduce the U.S. budget deficit. With Musk at the helm and Palantir's AI prowess, we could see a transformation in how government operates. It's about fundamentally changing the relationship between technology and governance. For Palantir, this could be the boost that propels them to new heights. They're well-positioned to become a crucial part of this new, efficient government machine. But before we get carried away with future possibilities, let's take a step back and look at where Palantir stands right now. Their recent performance might surprise you, and it's setting the stage for what could be a remarkable future. Palantir's financial surge, breaking down the numbers. Palantir's recent financial report is turning heads with numbers that made even the most bullish analysts take notice. Their latest earnings report shows a 30% jump in revenue year over year, and their net income doubled. In a market where tech companies are struggling, Palantir's profitability stands out. The driving force behind this growth? AI. Palantir's bet on artificial intelligence is paying off significantly. Their U.S. commercial revenue is expected to grow by over 50% next year, hitting at least $687 million. This expansion is coupled with a 39% increase in customer count last quarter, indicating that their AI technologies are gaining traction across various sectors. Efficiency is another key factor. Palantir achieved a Rule of 40 score of 68% in the last quarter, a metric that combines revenue growth rate and profit margin to assess a company's health. With a 30% revenue growth rate and 38% profit margins, Palantir is not just growing, they're doing it sustainably. Palantir's shift from government focus to enterprise applications is something many analysts are starting to notice. Dan Ives from Wedbush Securities sees significant future growth potential here. It's as if Palantir has been quietly building something big, and now they're ready to reveal it. This positions Palantir at the forefront of the AI revolution. They're providing tools that could fundamentally change how businesses and governments operate in the AI age. However, this growth comes with increased scrutiny. Some analysts are questioning Palantir's high valuation, with the stock trading at about 138 times consensus earnings for 2025. There's also been an increase in insider selling, raising questions about the stock's current value. The big question remains, is Palantir's growth sustainable, or are we looking at a bubble? It's a complex issue that requires deeper analysis. 6. The AI arms race. Palantir's position in a competitive landscape. The AI landscape is transforming into a cutthroat battlefield, with tech titans pouring billions into the fight. Palantir isn't just another player in this high-stakes game. They're positioning themselves as a leading provider of AI systems. Their products, Gotham, Foundry, and Apollo, are powerful tools designed to integrate data and enhance decision-making for both government and commercial clients. Palantir faces unique challenges in this space. They're up against companies with deeper pockets and more established reputations in the commercial sector. But Palantir's not backing down. They're doubling down on what makes them different. Their AI capabilities are positioned as unique in the market. We're talking about advanced decision support tools that allow clients to visualize and analyze data in ways that leave competitors like Snowflake and Elastic struggling to keep up. Dan Ives, a top tech analyst, said, "They've essentially become the artery for enterprise AI." This means Palantir's technology is becoming critical infrastructure for businesses looking to leverage AI. But can Palantir keep this edge as the competition heats up? They're betting big on two things: their ethical approach to data use and their ability to tackle complex, real-world problems. While other companies chase after the next shiny AI toy, Palantir's focusing on solving the nitty-gritty issues that businesses and governments actually face. They're involved in discussions around AI policy, pushing for responsible technology use. In a world where data privacy is a hot-button issue, Palantir's emphasis on ethical AI could be the differentiator that sets them apart. Palantir's unique blend of government experience, ethical approach, and focus on practical AI applications positions them to ride the wave of AI adoption across both public and private sectors. But with all this potential, what are the experts saying about Palantir's future? The analyst opinions are rolling in, and they're as diverse as they are intriguing. Let's dive into what Wall Street really thinks about Palantir's prospects. 7 Wall Street's verdict, analyzing Palantir's stock potential. Palantir's stock is a paradox on Wall Street, with analysts deeply divided on its future. The company's shares have skyrocketed nearly 4x since the start of the year, hitting about $66. This meteoric rise has sparked intense debate among financial experts. Bank of America is leading the bull charge, raising their price target to $75. They're eyeing Palantir's robust financial performance and potential political tailwinds. With Trump possibly returning to office and Elon Musk discussing government efficiency, Palantir could be in a prime position. But not everyone's on board. Some analysts are raising serious concerns about Palantir's valuation. The company's trading at 138 times its projected 2025 earnings, a figure that's causing significant unease among more cautious investors. The crux of the debate, it's all about how you view Palantir's future. Bulls see a company at the forefront of the AI revolution, poised to dominate both government and commercial markets. They're betting on Palantir's unique technology and deep government ties to give them an unbeatable edge. Bears, however, are questioning the sustainability of this growth. They're pointing to increased insider selling as a potential red flag. There's also the looming question of competition. As more tech giants pour resources into AI, can Palantir maintain its position? But here's something that might be flying under the radar: Palantir's pivot from government focus to enterprise solutions. Dan Ives from Wedbush Securities thinks this shift isn't fully appreciated by the market. It's like Palantir's developed a secret weapon that Wall Street hasn't fully grasped yet. Where could Palantir's stock go from here? It's anyone's guess, but one thing's certain: this isn't a stock for the faint of heart. We're looking at a company that's seen annual returns swing from -65% to plus 167%. That's serious volatility. As we look to the future, Palantir's standing at a critical juncture. With AI reshaping industries and geopolitics in flux, the tech world is watching closely. The company's next moves could have far-reaching implications not just for investors, but for the entire landscape of data analytics and AI. 8. Conclusion. Palantir stands at a pivotal moment, capturing the tech world's attention. The company's evolution from a secretive data firm to an AI leader is just the beginning of its story. The political landscape is in flux. A potential Trump return could boost Palantir's government contracts, while Elon Musk's vision for streamlined governance aligns perfectly with Palantir's AI solutions. However, this increased influence brings heightened scrutiny. Wall Street remains divided on Palantir's prospects. Some analysts predict explosive growth, while others caution about the company's valuation. But the real story lies beyond these short-term projections. Palantir is actively shaping the AI landscape, positioning itself at the intersection of technology, industry, and geopolitics. As AI continues to transform our world, Palantir's influence will likely grow. The company's journey is far from over, and its future developments promise to be both intriguing and consequential for the tech industry and beyond.